I guess Sam had made this. It's glitter slime. So this is my third slime recipe. If you have been to my previous 2 installments, I should put the links down below. So now in this I'm using clear glue with glitter. Now I ran out of glitter right now to make this video, so sorry. But when you want to add, let me bring some color. I guess I'm back. So for this recipe you need some color, some glue, clear glue, some glitter that I don't have, and some powder soap with water in here, and an orange stick. So what you do is stir your color in your glue. Okay. Now what you do is you add some of your salt. Yes, this is enough because some of it, as you can see, it's starting to form. Now let me make some more and I'll be right back because it's like, okay. So I'm back and I've bought some. Now this is only powder and I'm going to put some water in it. Enough. And I mix it the other back. And I keep a bit of it in. Now start mixing. As you can see, the glue will start to be not that lumpy, and it will start leaving your bowl something. So now it needs more. Okay. Okay, almost done. And I just have to check the consistency. Now this is not done yet. Oh wait. Yeah, as you can see, it's starting to form. And this recipe, if you would like it to stay for some while, and obviously you would like that, then refrigerate it with some bit like 3 drops of glue in it or in that pot. As you can see, it's starting to form. Great. Let's see. You see it's starting to form here. Now what you do is add a bit more. Okay. Now you need some surface. So for that, one second. For that I will use ointment. Oh, I hate it. So for this I'll use this back of it. Now what you do is just mix it again. Wow. Okay, let's see. Now what you do is don't heat the water in it too. So just put it in. I'm just taking too much time. All the water out. And then you keep in the other one. And then you just start mixing it all up. As you can see, our slime is kind of ready. Ready. And to the gunk out, here it is. Wait, just look at this beautiful crimson color. So now in where I live, I do not get borax or liquid starch. So yeah. So if one problem about this, when you keep it somewhere, this happens. And make sure you don't keep it in fabric instead of this thingy. Ew. Okay. Here. Okay. So now for 2-3 days it'll start be like brittle. Yeah, when you start like that and you want to put it back together, it won't happen. So now if you want a really nice color and like a nice slimy texture, then like you mix it a bit here, and then what you do too is keep some water in it that I already kept, and then let it rest for some while. Okay, so yeah, and if you don't, for example, if you don't have a lid of maybe a container, you can use masking tape. So you can add glitter in it. Okay, so let me try to put some chunks of chalk. Okay, wait, I didn't find it. And if you do not have powder soap, then a liquid soap can work. See-through soap. So you take the see-through soap, mix it a bit, not until it's all foggy, and then keep some glue in it, and then you mix it. And then you take a file or a plastic paper, and then tip that all mixture in it, and then let it stay for 1.5 day or 1 day. So yeah, and I have tried it, and let's try to keep some beads in it, in my doll. Oh my god, where is it? Okay. I have billions in this drawer. Okay. So hang it. Unfortunately, no. Oh, here it is. Sorry for keeping it hanging. Okay. Here are our orange beads. Any beads will work now, but first you have to tip out the water out. Okay, that's done. Oh my. You're running away from me. Okay. Whoa. Well, this will be so bitty. Okay. Maybe this is enough. Make it. Wow. Oh my god. This looks superb. At this kind of time, it will not stick that much. But if you use a hand, then it will. Okay. Here is your bead slime. Okay. Now the balls do come out, so that's kind of unsuccessful. So you can take them out as I am doing. So I'll be doing a few more videos, not only about slime, but other more things. And I will try one borax one. Okay. So as I even said that we don't get it here, no problemo. My friend will buy it for me because in Canada I cannot find it anywhere. And in the morning, so yeah. And in the morning there's so much noise. So if you want to know where am I and you want this slime advice, and if you're in Canada, I live in Toronto. Sorry for the people who doesn't live in Toronto or Ottawa. So I will be having trips all around the world. So you just give me a comment where to I come, and I will be there. Okay? So now I've got all the beads out of this. So here it looks like. Okay. Now, if you want to get this kind of a nice bumpy and bright color, you should add some acrylic paints. Okay, so the last time I made this line, it turned out to be so runny. And the second time I tried it, when I didn't even upload that video, you know what happened? I kept it on my tights. Guess what happened? Puff. All of it was like when you don't cook the icing, how it melts. Yeah, like that. When I didn't see it there, so when I went to keep my hand there, So that's why first I tried it and then I say let me do it again. So bye bye. See you later in another keto craft. Wait a minute, I need to show you how it sticks again. Okay, let's keep it here for some while. Good. Stick it there. So thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you later in another keto craft. Now, if you want to make this as a strawberry, what do? You just shape it like in an oval like this. Let me try to find green beans. What a pleasant surprise. Oh, and red beans. I do have. Oh, red is this. No, I do not have black bean seed and beans. Just need five. A lot of noise, I know. Okay. And fifth. As you can see, it all starts to be like this. No problem. Leave your beads here. Shaping nicely again. Here it is. Add your beads to it now. Oh man, I just feel like to eat this. But it is not edible, people. Now when you are keeping the beads, make sure you have adult supervision, because if kids are making it, they can eat it. Now, this is very hard. It slips out. Kind of one. Alright. Now, this looks like an... Sorry, the beads are not sticking, but if I add more glue in it, then it will stick. As this thingy. It did, and it didn't stick at all. Whew. So now this is kind of sad to be a bit hard to pull in the wool, and so guys, I'm gonna make this recipe in the next video. Okay, bye.